Hybrid bikes are a versatile and popular option for those looking for a bike that can handle a variety of terrains and riding styles. These bikes typically combine features of road bikes, mountain bikes, and city bikes, allowing riders to tackle everything from smooth city streets to rough off-road trails. Hybrid bikes often have wider tires for stability and traction, and may include features like suspension, disc brakes, and multiple gears for added versatility. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring the great outdoors, or just enjoying a leisurely ride around town, a hybrid bike can be a great choice for riders of all levels and abilities. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 6 best budget hybrid bikes to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 6. ROYCE Union 700C. The ROYCE Union Hybrid Comfort Commuter Bike is available in various colors to suit men's and women's styles. The smallest frame size is 15 inches, suitable for many women to ride, but the most oversized frame is 21 inches, so tall men won't find it short. The frame material is sturdy 6061 heat-treated aircraft-grade aluminum, and the warranty on the frame is up to 10 years. The 21-speed Shimano drivetrain is also pretty standard, and if that's too complicated, they have a 7-speed configuration. The shifting is smooth. For greater riding comfort, the handlebars are swept back and then slightly elevated for an ergonomic design. For long rides, a soft seat is also a must, and the seat of ROYCE Union 700C is very comfortable. Having a rear rack makes it a practical commuter bike that fits your lifestyle. Number 5. Schwinn Wayfarer Hybrid Bike. Is a commuter bike enough if it's only comfortable? Also, need to fashion some, this Schwinn Wayfarer Adult Bike Hybrid does the fashion and comfort balance of the hybrid bike. 5 colors to choose from. The handlebars are set up so that you can ride upright and prevent the health of your cervical and lumbar spine from being affected by long rides. The seat deliberately added a soft cushion and elastic spring so that the body does not suffer from vibration when driving on bumpy routes. The seat's height can be adjusted at any time to suit your height or the way you feel when riding. Both components are designed to improve the comfort of the bike. There is more than just a lower version of the 7-speed bike in terms of speed to cater to more people. There is also a 21-speed option. The Schwinn Hybrid Bike uses front and rear alloy linear tension brakes for precise braking. The 700C Doable Wall Alloy rims and 700 by 28C wheels provide stability and comfort for a comfortable ride. The Schwinn Wayfarer is one of the best choices for cruising the neighborhoods and commuting to work. Number 4. Vilano Diverse 3.0. If you're searching for a high-quality bike at a more accessible price point, the Vilano Diverse 3.0 may just be what you're looking for. The bike's lightweight aluminum frame balances strength and efficiency, giving you ample support without weighing you down. Its 24-speed drivetrain will give you the flexibility you need to tackle different kinds of terrain, and its mechanical disc brakes will help you come to smooth, powerful stops, even if it's wet or slick out. Use this bike for commuting, exercising, cruising, or running errands. Because it's so versatile, it's a great go-to. This affordable bike is a great choice if you are also looking to purchase an indoor cycling bike or exercise bike for when weather conditions prevent riding outside. The Vilano Diverse 3.0 comes with a 19.3, 20.8, or 22.4-inch frame, which makes it suitable for riders between 5 and 6 feet tall. The bike's weight capacity is 300 pounds. Number 3. Hiland 700C Hybrid Bike. Hiland 700C is a road bike built around a steel frame and a rigid fork that balances weight and strength pretty well. It will be a comfortable ride in pretty much all conditions. The frame is available in 3 sizes, and the bike weighs around 27 pounds. When it comes to the components, Hiland 700C is equipped with Shimano components and comes with 14 gears. These components are not high-end, but they are reliable and will shift gears with decent precision. That's the reason why it is one of the best hybrid bikes for beginners. This versatile bike also has alloy rim brakes, which are the best choice for all types of riders. They are ideal for commuting and recreational rides in all weather conditions. The tires on this Hiland are 700C in diameter, which is a great choice for smoothness and speed on paved roads, especially for commuting. The frame does not come with front and rear fenders, but you can easily add them later if you need them. There are no lights or a rear rack either. Hiland 700C is one of the fastest, affordable drop bar bikes around that comes with some of the best user reviews. Overall, if you want an affordable and durable drop bar bike with dependable parts and brakes to commute or ride for fun every day, get Hiland 700C. Just maintain it properly like any other bike and it will last you a long time. Number 2. Cannondale Quick 5. This ride is one of the best deals on a hybrid bike. With its bump-absorbing, safe micro-suspension and a riding position that's upright for comfort, yet forward enough for some speed, it's designed for riding anywhere you feel like taking it. Whether it's for fitness or commuting, it will always let you enjoy every journey. The lightweight aluminum structure makes you feel no weight of the car itself, so you can drive a long distance with a single step. In addition, the Shimano Tourney TX 14-speed drivetrain gives you the experience of riding at even higher speed. Whether you're on a crowded tarmac road or a bustling country road, it allows you to be the fastest and coolest in the crowd. It is worth mentioning that the presence of the damping safe micro-suspension makes comfort and ease a standard feature of the car. It allows you to maintain the most elegant stance whenever you want. What's more, Cannondale Quest tires are the best choice when driving on the road. This is because it gives you strong traction on flat roads, giving you a more relaxed stance. Without a doubt, it's just too friendly for those who don't like to ride bent over. The handlebars in front are higher, so I can maintain a near upright position and still see a wider view. The Cannondale tire sensor can be connected to the Cannondale app, and with your mobile device secured, you can check your ride status at any time, even when you're on a ride, so you can make adjustments in time. Number 1. 630 EVRYjourney Hybrid Bike. The 630 EVRYjourney is built to be an efficient commuter bike. The build feels strong and durable, mostly because of the quality step-through aluminum frame. The bike also looks really nice because of numerous available paint jobs and matching front and rear fenders. That's part of what makes it one of the best hybrid bikes for women. If you buy it, your EVRYjourney can come with a 1-speed, 3-speed, 7-speed, or 21-speed drivetrain. You can also choose between 24-inch and 26-inch wheels and tires. All models have dependable front and rear brakes, but the single-speed models also feature coaster brakes for added security and fun. 630 EVRYjourney is worth being called one of the best city bikes because it's cheap, easy to maintain, fun to ride, and really nice looking. The bike also has a rear rack, so you can fit it with panniers or a basket to carry all of your necessities wherever you go. It's also suitable for a rear-mounted child seat. To wrap it up, in our opinion, it's one of the best city hybrid bikes on the market. The best hybrid bikes are designed for a relaxed, upright riding position that still maintains handling and lets you ride fast. Sometimes called fitness bikes, hybrid bikes make some of the best commuter bikes. Their upright position helps you to see and be seen as you ride and make it easy to stop as well as mount and dismount. The flat bars, brakes, and trigger gear shifters on a hybrid bike are easy to use, while most models will allow you to fit mudguards for protection in wet weather riding and a rack to help carry luggage. However, getting the best budget hybrid bikes is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.